So this scene from the anime called Psychopaths is one of my favorite sci-fi anime out there. Have you ever imagined that one day you can have the ability to click on something and then all of a sudden you're wearing your favorite outfit, is out of your imagination, and it fits your style, personalized and tailor-made, and you feel like you're living a dream. So of course we're not there yet, but at this moment I find the digital fashion tools and artificial intelligence tools have made us closer to that day. And in this video I'm trying 4 apps. All these apps are AI powered apps that can help you to wear the outfit, same prompts in 4 apps, and see what come up from these apps. Are they similar types? Are they completely different? What AI can do so far and what is missing. So the 4 apps I'm trying here is DressX, Runway, Picsart, and YouCam AI Pro. As you may know, DressX is one of the most popular digital fashion apps out there. They're famous for AR, augmented reality fashion try-ons. So they're entirely made for digital fashion. The other tools I'm using, I'm just using the one of the two because they're generally as AI apps, but what I'm trying to use is erase and replace tool for the digital fashion outfit. I don't know if you're familiar with DressX. I've been playing it with this app for a pretty long time. They recently just launched the AI tool that you can write prompt. Usually they have professional 3D digital fashion designer to create outfit. So what's missing in DressX for me is always the lighting. It's a bit off. Since we've been working with AR for such a long time, the augmented reality, not artificial intelligence. With augmented reality, it's still not quite there. The most difficult part is the lighting. So I will explain later why it's not working yet. At this moment, let's try it with the prompt first and see what come up with their AI tool. So here, as you can see, this is the DressX. All you have to do is upload your photo. You don't have to erase anything outfit, and then you just put the prompt. What I put is, for the first prompt I put in 4 apps is crazy futuristic dress. I just want to see how AI interpret the word crazy. So let's see what it come up with. Okay. So this is the first dress I get. It's very blue. It's a light blue shining, almost look like mermaid. Mermaid? It looks pretty artificial, I have to say, but it's quite futuristic. It's definitely not crazy. What is another one? This is Runway. Okay, Runway is one of my favorite AI tools because it's very user friendly. I can make another video just talk about that. They have Runway AI film festivals even. Like, people create amazing movie with AI. So Runway have this erase and replace tool. Is really useful and it's free to use. You have certain credits you can use. I've tried it so many times. As you can see, you can just erase your body and then you can write a prompt, whatever you want AI to create. Crazy, futuristic. I don't know why it's black and white, but seems like that's how they interpret crazy futurist outfit. It's definitely not outstanding, but it's pretty fun. Next, I think that's Picsart. Here's Picsart, crazy futurist outfit dress. See how different it is with the other 2 apps that I've tried so far? It's futuristic. I can tell this 2 dress is really interesting actually. There are more details in the previous one, and it's kind of see-through. I don't know why they think crazy futurist outfit is see-through. Maybe translucent is one of the futuristic elements. I'm not sure, but I kind of like it. So last one is YouCam. Let's see what YouCam can do. Okay, I see why. So see, that's the thing. When I write crazy futuristic outfit, I think AI translate in completely different way through the 4 apps. Maybe for Runway or for DressX, it's more like bluish, like, shiny fabric, look artificial. For Picsart, it's more like translucent material. And then for the last one, YouCam AI Pro, they create something like game-like outfit. I don't dislike neither of them. I just think some of them look like it's not for me, but you should definitely go play it. Now I'm thinking maybe I should try push further, make the prompt more detailed. So I write another prompt more based on, ask the AI to design something based on one of my favorite fashion designer, Iris Van Herpen. Her design is already very futuristic, quite futuristic, and the materials and then the structure is different than a lot of designer. And let's see what AI can do based on her creation. And I also write how it should be flowing pattern, and then lightweight translucent fabric, metallic, some 3D element maybe. First one, DressX. Okay. I love the materials. I like how they're blending different colors with the fabric. I've definitely never seen those fabrics in real life, but I look naked. And I don't like how they're covering the body, and it's definitely not my body. That's all the problem with AI software. I can talk about that later, but let's go next one. This is Runway. Okay. Runway, I don't know, it doesn't look real at all. It's the elements is there. I think they're trying really hard to try to create the piece that based on what I write, the futurist element, the 3D element, everything, but I can't post that on social media. I mean, people are not gonna believe that's something I wear, period. So that's a no-no. Next one, this is Picsart. Yeah, when you erase this, your body is also kind of a hassle. You have to make sure you erase the right part. You leave your neck out. Oh, no, I don't like this at all. No, I look like a fish there. I don't understand why this is how they get from my detailed prompt. Okay, last one. This is AI, like YouCam AI Pro. This is quite similar with when I write the crazy futuristic outfit. Maybe for this app particularly, futuristic outfit, futuristic dress all look similar and more like a game-like. Okay, after trying this, as you can see, like, yeah, it's all based on, like, all the apps, even though I write the same prompt, all the apps come up completely different design, but the similar app with different prompt can come similar type of clothes. Why is that? So I want to give a little bit background explanation of how AI works for the fashion design. So to generate clothing, AI must first of all understand the essence of fashion. Designers train AI models by feeding them these massive data sets containing thousands or even millions of images and garments and fabrics and trends. Okay, so you have AI learn through all these elements. So through the machine learning algorithm, AI try to learn and identify all these patterns, colors, silhouettes, all this. So AI actually learn everything from existing things that you may have known about AI. So they cannot create something outside human beings' imagination, outside human beings' creation. Except I have to say, because of digital fashion software, I think the computer-generated fabric is completely different than the real-life fabric. So when I write futuristic look, the machine learning algorithm learns, I think, also from some movies, some sci-fi games. All those things also helps the AI design the right outfit. But what is really not there is the model, the body shape, because I really don't feel like it fits me well. Because when I write a prompt, I think it learned from the model body shape, but that's not you. So for this part, I think AI is still not there yet. Now I want to give you a brief description of when we work on digital fashion piece for a client, the model, let the dress or the outfit fits exactly the model's body. It takes actually quite a long time. And then also the most important thing is the lighting. When we create digital fashion that truly fits, at this moment, the process is start with measurement of a client, measurement of the model. You need full body measurement. And then we'll create avatar in the Clo3D digital fashion software to make the avatar pose as exactly as your photo. And then use Clo3D software to design the patterns, make into the dress or the outfit that you you want it to be. In this part, the Clo3D can make pretty much everything that human being can wear. The magic sometimes comes with Blender. With Blender, the 3D model software, you can make the fabric and the shape of the dress flowing as if it's in the real life. At this point, it's really important to add realistic lighting in Blender. Also, sometimes we have to bring the model into the Unreal Engine to add realistic textures. At the end, when you finish everything, you have to bring everything to the Photoshop and then add this piece of dress onto the model's body for that flawless fit. You need a lot of patience and skill to actually make the lighting and everything looks right, as you can see in the video. So now comes the question why software like DressX, when you wear the augmented reality dress on your body, is not 100% working well. It's not just about the digital fashion, it's about a lot of augmented reality software out there, and the augmented reality technology is not 100% there yet, and I will tell you why. So the high-end 3D rendering software like Blender or Unreal Engine, they use something called ray tracing to stimulate realistic light behavior, including reflections, shadows, and refractions. And the AR apps often have to simplify these calculations because it's a massive calculation. So basically, the mobile devices doesn't really have that much power to process all these calculations. And this means the lighting on the digital garments can look flat or artificial, failing to mimic the realistic fabric interact with light because it's real time. Even though it's not 100% there yet, the good point is all the software, Clo3D, Blender, all this software that make fashion design very accessible for a lot of people. You still have to learn how to use Parton, and you still have to learn all this software, but it makes fashion more accessible because you don't have to have a big studio and using all the fabrics. It's also more sustainable. And for people who doesn't want to be a fashion designer, just want to try different outfit, all this AI software right now is a great tool for you to try. Maybe color black looks better on me. Maybe you can try different colors and see how it look on your body. You can try different styles and see what kind of style fits you better. So those are the good point about AI. I'll list all the software apps below my video. Please go take a look and please go try it. And for fashion designers out there who want to try to learn about digital fashion, I do think AI will continue to evolve and it's changing the fashion industry for sure. So I do encourage all the fashion designers to go try the software, at least try the AI software, to not be scared, but more like collaborate with them, to explore, experiment more. Maybe you have more ideas than you ever had been. Maybe you'll be inspired by AI, taking advantage of artificial intelligence. If you are learning digital fashion and you want to share your creation, please join our Discord server. And if you have questions, you can also join our community. I really love to see your work and I really love to continue get this conversation going. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. If you're curious about how technology is reshaping the art and fashion, all different kind of art forms. Please, let's explore this together, and don't forget to like, subscribe my video. I will continue share the knowledge and share what I discovered or experiment with you guys, and hope we can ride this AI wave together. I think the future is now, for sure, it's coming. And for the next 5 to 10 years, you will see the huge shift with the development of AI. Either you like it or not, it's coming. So let's get on this together and stay updated. Thank you for your time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.